Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you with Topps Finest Baseball 2009. Last box I did, we pulled a David Price autographed Letterman. SNA Juice worked out a trade for me because I have a PC of him that I started. So we'll start off with mini box number 1. Alright, here we go, guys. Topps Finest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got a rookie off the bat for the Rockies, Dexter Fowler. I don't believe that's numbered, not numbered. And then we have a blue refractor, Vlad Guerrero, numbered at a 399 for the Angels. We got a John Lester for the Red Sox refractor. And this might be the patch card, actually. We got a rookie of Phil Kolk, who's a big piece of crap for the Yankees. I should burn that on camera. Matt McCloth. That's just a regular card. Matt Antonelli, Letterman autograph patch. There we go. For the Padres, gold refractor, numbered 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10. I don't know if you guys could see it on YouTube, but that is a nice gold. That is right. Matt Antonelli, 3 out of 10, autograph manufacturer. Sick. Blue refractor, Ian Kinsler for the Rangers, $3.99. So Rodman 9, there you go. We got a rookie refractor, Brad Nelson for the Brewers. And this one feels kind of thick, maybe not. We got a rookie, James McDonald for the Dodgers, and this will be randomed. Pick number 8, refractor. I always random the picks, so there we go. That'll be randomed at the end. And Raul Bañez, blue refractor, numbered out of 399 for the Phillies. And a rookie of Luis Valbuena, rookie for the Mariners. So that was mini box number 1. Pretty solid with the gold auto Letterman refractor for the Padres. After this, we have a football group break. All right, Felix Hernandez for the Mariners refractor. This one feels kind of thick. I'll keep that one for last. I could be wrong. Green refractor for the Mets, David Wright, numbered out of 99. Refractor, Scott Lewis for the Indians. Rookie refractor, not numbered. We got a gold Colorado Rockies, numbered out of 50, Garrett Atkins. 2 packs remaining. Should be one more Letterman. Adam Dunn for the Nationals, blue refractor, numbered out of 399. Last pack, it is thick. Good luck, guys. Still got 3 more boxes coming up. And this will be for the Mets. For the New York Mets, an auto Letterman, numbered out of 285, Jonathan Neese. For the Mets. Crew 7 is tearing it up tonight. I think that's his third hit with that Darren McFadden earlier. So that's Topps Finest. We'll be back. Stay tuned. GSN Cards is out.